Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to download your Citibank statement online. This guide is tailored for 2025, making the process easier and faster than ever. Whether you're managing your finances, preparing taxes, or just staying organized, getting your statements digitally is a game changer. Let's jump right in. First things first, ensure you have your Citibank login details handy for a smooth experience. Start by opening your favorite web browser on your computer or mobile device. Head over to the Citibank website at www.citibank.com. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're on the site, log in using your username and password. Don't forget, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll get a verification code. Go ahead and enter that to proceed. After logging in, look for the Accounts or Services section in your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Next, navigate to the Statements and Documents tab. Here, you'll see a list of your accounts. Select the one you want the statement for, then choose the specific period, like the last month or year. Citibank makes this simple with drop-down menus. Now, hit the download button. It's usually a PDF icon. Your statement will download quickly to your device. If you prefer, you can also view it online or print it directly. A quick tip: always double-check that your browser is up to date to avoid any glitches, and remember to log out after you're done for extra security. If you run into any issues, Citibank's customer support is just a click away through the help section. There you have it. That's how you download your Citibank statement online in no time. This method saves you trips to the bank and keeps everything digital. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.